Hi, welcome to the morning exercise practice. We'll be doing a series of movements which you could do when you wake up in the morning. They can help you to stretch your body and get it moving. Please remember to take care of yourself. At any time, if you feel a pose is uncomfortable or out of your range, please pause and rest, and join us again at the next pose. Let's begin by lying down. Bring both arms over your head and then stretching from your toes to your fingertips. Feel the stretch in your body and taking 3 deep breaths here. Inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. Next, bring both arms alongside your body and bring your right knee into your chest. You may choose to keep your left leg straight or bent if you feel a pressure on your lower back. Again, taking 3 deep breaths here. Feeling the stretch on your lower back and buttocks. Switching sides. Bring your left knee into your chest. Again, you may choose to keep your right leg straight or bent, whichever is comfortable for you. And taking 3 deep breaths. Coming to standing. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Feel your weight evenly distributed on both feet. And we'll begin with upward stretch. Bring both arms up. Relaxing your neck and shoulders and feeling the stretch on your arms and your back. Take 3 deep breaths here. Inhaling deeply, exhaling slowly, and letting go. Bring both arms down, long by your side, and we're going to move to backward stretch. Begin by putting your feet together. Push your hips forward and stretch your back backwards. You may keep your arms long by your side if you choose to. Or if you would like to deepen your pose, bring both arms up, interlace your finger, and bend backwards. If you feel dizzy or uncomfortable at any time, please come to standing position. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. Next, standing forward fold. Keep your legs hip-width apart. We're going to bend forward from the waist. Chin to chest. And bring your fingertips or your hands to the mat. If you feel tightness on your hamstring or your back, you may choose to bend your knees. Otherwise, you may bend your arms and hold on to your elbow. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. As you inhale, you're going to bend deeper. Exhale, relaxing into the pose. Inhale, bend deeper if you can. And exhaling. And slowly coming back to standing. This next exercise stretches and strengthens the lower back and quadriceps. It also helps improve hip flexibility. So coming to all fours. Bring your left leg forward, left foot on the mat. And then slowly swivel your right leg back. Only as far as you can, feeling the stretch on the quadricep. And maintaining a 90-degree angle at your bent knee. You're going to look forward, lengthening your back, making sure your weight is evenly distributed, not too much forward or backwards. Take 3 deep breaths here. And switching side, coming to all four again. Now bring your right leg forward, right foot on the mat. Again, shiver your left leg back only as far as you feel comfortable. Feeling the stretch, looking up, strengthening and lengthening your back. Staying here for 3 breaths. Next is Child's Pose. This is a restorative pose and it helps to release tension and stress, one of the main causes for poor sleep. So come to kneeling with your heels together, knee hip width apart, your hands resting on your thighs. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, you're going to bend from your waist and move your hands forward at the same time, coming onto the mat. Resting your forehead on the mat. And taking 3 deep breaths here. Next, we are doing the Cobra Pose. This pose strengthens the entire back and shoulders. It also improves the flexibility of the mid and upper back. We're going to come to lying down on the belly with your face facing down. Bring your palms alongside your chest, elbow bent, legs together. And when you're ready, press your palms onto the ground and lift your upper torso. Keep the lower body below your navel, press down onto the mat. And we're going to take 3 deep breaths here. From this position, bring your hands alongside your chest again. Press them into the mat and lift yourself up into a tabletop position. From here, we're going to move on to downward dog. Tuck your toes under and lift both knees off the mat. Straightening your legs. If it's possible, you may flatten your heels onto the mat. Otherwise, you can keep them lifted. Adjust by moving your hands forward if you need to lengthen your back. You're going to look into your navel and we're going to stay here for 3 breaths. This pose helps to stretch the lower body and strengthen the shoulders and upper back. Bend your knees, coming to tabletop position again. Uncurl your toes and sitting back onto your heels. From here, we're going to move into child pose position. You can rest here for as long as you need to. Next, we're going to move into Equestrian Pose. Next, standing forward fold. Keep your legs hip width apart. We're going to bend forward from the waist. Chin to chest. And bring your fingertips or your hands to the mat. If you feel tightness on your hamstring or your back, you may choose to bend your knees. Otherwise, you may bend your arms and hold on to your elbow. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. As you inhale, you're going to bend deeper. Exhale, relaxing into the pose. Inhale, bend deeper if you can. And exhaling. And slowly coming back to standing. Begin by putting your feet together. Push your hips forward and stretch your back backwards. You may keep your arms long by your side if you choose to. Or if you would like to deepen your pose, bring both arms up, interlace your finger, and bend backwards. If you feel dizzy or uncomfortable at any time, please come to standing position. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths.